Hi, this is Andy from GPS Training. In this video we're going to take a look at the accessory from Garmin, the retractable lanyard. This is a way you can carry your Etrex series GPS device, Oregon series or GPS map series device using the lanyard slot on the bottom of your unit, and it's just a way of being able to carry your unit and not accidentally leave it lying on the ground when you've stopped for a break, using the elastic cord that is retractable. So I'm just going to give you a demonstration of how we use it and how it's attached to the GPS device. So inside the box, the first bit you get is this plastic part with the Garmin logo. This is the bit that we actually attach to a loop. It could be a loop on a rucksack or on a belt hoop. So that is where we attach that with that nice firm clip there. And then the bit that allows us to pull the device away to view the screen from where we've been carrying it is this elastic cord. This does stretch approximately 25 inches, 63 centimeters, so it is a fairly decent length. And then what we actually get in the box, we get two, so we get a spare one as well. It might be that you've got two GPS devices. The bit that's actually going to attach to the bottom of our GPS device, it's going to slot through the lanyard slot, and then this is going to attach to the end of that elastic cord, which we're going to show you. So what you actually have to do with this little loop at the bottom here that I've got on my fingers, you thread that through the lanyard slot. So I've got an Oregon 700 here. The lanyard slot is at the bottom of the unit, so it's basically threading that through. You may find a paper clip or something is easier to sort of use to pull it through at the other end. Don't be tempted to try and attach to the D-rings on the back of your units because you may break them. All units that are compatible have this lanyard slot at the bottom. I'll just give you an example of a one on a GPS map 66. So the lanyard slot is this little slot at the bottom. So again, we'd be threading this through the bottom. A paper clip is useful to try and thread it through. So I've got an Etrex 32X here. So lanyard slot at the bottom. I've already threaded it through so far. And what I now need to do is just pull it through. So I've got the loop here. And then what I'm going to do is feed this back through the loop, the plastic end cap through the loop, and just make sure we pull that down nice and tight. So that's it, threaded through and fixed. I can just leave that attached to my GPS device, and then when I want to use it, you'll see you've got this little plastic clip at the end, and we'll show you how that lines up with the actual retractable part. So on the retractable part here, there's a couple of holes either side. They're going to line up with the two clips on this unit, on the bit that goes on the bottom of your unit. So you can see the way I'm pushing that in, and you're going to hear a clip as that locks in place. And then to remove it, you just squeeze in those two bits that have clipped in. So it's squeezing those two bits in, and then it just simply pulls out. So clip that in now, and that's it, ready to use. So the idea is when I'm out and about, wherever I've got this clip to, it might be this is in a side pocket on a rucksack, pocket of your trousers, as long as you can get it facing upright if you are using it to track. But it means when I want to use it, I can pull it away from the cord. We've got that nice length of 25 inches, approximately 63 centimeters, so I can view the screen of the GPS and then drop this back into, say, the pouch on the side of a rucksack. So I'll just give you an example now. I'm just going to move these bits to one side, and I'm going to bring a rucksack in that we use sometimes with this unit. So I'm just going to bring in so you can see the bottom of the rucksack. So this is the side of the rucksack. We've got this nice pouch here. Now, if I was carrying the GPS in that pouch, when I stop for a break and take the GPS device out, what I don't want to do is then accidentally put the GPS device on the floor and leave it after I start my walk again. So what we actually do with this rucksack, every rucksack will be different, but we've got somewhere here we can put the little hook onto, the little clip, sorry. So if I squeeze that metal in of the clip and just lock it into the bottom here, so you can see that's nice and secure. And then with the unit, when I want to use the GPS device, of course I can just pull up from the cord. You can see the cord there's pulled out, and I'll be able to view the screen of the GPS device. And then when I want to put it away, I can simply put it into the side pouch there, make sure it's facing upright so I've got a good GPS signal, and that's a way I can carry it without accidentally losing the unit. And then if I do want to unclip the unit, I can of course just squeeze the two dimples in at the bottom here on the bit on the end of the retractable bit, and that'll let it pull away. Or I can take off the clip when I'm finished my day's walk. So I'll just squeeze that in. So it's just squeezing the metal in and taking the loop back out. So that's the Garmin retractable lanyard. So we hope you found this video useful on using the Garmin retractable lanyard. The biggest tip again we can give you is on your GPS device, please use the lanyard slot on the bottom of your device to attach it and not the D-ring on the back, because you might end up pulling that D-ring off the back of the unit, which is used to take the back of your unit off. So we hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.